Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I'm here with a review of a bag from Target. And if you guys have watched this channel before, you know that the brand Open Story from Target has some really cool items. Before I did review their hard-sided luggage, and I reviewed their large carry-on sized backpack. Both items were absolutely amazing. I was super impressed, and they were from Target. Now, this Open Story line from Target has several different backpacks. They have the hard shell carry-on that I reviewed, and they also have a check-in size. And then they have a lot of great little accessories as well. Go to Target, go to the luggage aisle, check it out. So now obviously a lot of the times we go to Target just to kind of wander around and Target tells us what we need. However, this time I went to Target intentionally to look for a very specific bag. But in order to show you the bag I'm going to show you, I need to tell you just a little story first. Now, a couple weeks ago, I was in Europe, and this story I'm about to tell you happened while I was in Belgium, eating a waffle. And I was traveling with hard-sided luggage, carry-on of course, and my Beis Backpack as my personal item. Now, I've used the Beis Backpack a whole lot, and it's been really, really good to me, and the bag kind of broke. It's fixed now because I figured it out, but you know, this is the bag I was traveling with. It's actually still full because I haven't unpacked yet. The zipper started kind of busting at the seams. You know, when all of a sudden it's like the zipper pulls are up here, but then the zipper, see, here it is. The zipper is open right here. So the whole thing is broken. Sitting there, I'm eating a waffle. It was delicious. And I saw that and I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to buy a backpack because this is about to break. What am I gonna do? And I said, okay, as soon as I get back to the States, I need to get a different personal item. So I got home and I started looking. The requirements that I wanted for my new personal item were a padded laptop area, YKK zippers, padded straps for my back, a padded backside of the backpack for my back, pockets on the outside, organization on the inside. I wanted it to be waterproof or water repellent for when it rains, a spot for a water bottle on the outside, and of course an area to attach the backpack to a roller bag. You guys, it was really difficult to find a backpack that had all of these features. And also, not that it really mattered, but I kind of wanted it to be cute too. There were so many backpacks that had some of these features, but they were really ugly. I know that shouldn't matter, but it matters. It matters a little bit. And then I was like, you know what? I remember that awesome brand from Target. Let me see if they have something. All right, so enough talking. Let's show it to you. Here it is. This is the Day Trip Backpack from Open Story from Target. It does retail for $79.99, and it comes in two colors. This is the taupe color, and it does come in black as well. It is like a nylon water-resistant fabric. It does have a couple of cute little faux leather trims here and there, but I love the gold hardware. I think that the colors go really cute together. And you can get this online, but you can also get it in stores, which I think is so cool. So if you want to check it out for yourself, go to Target and look at it. So like I said, this bag has everything that I wanted, and probably the number one thing I wanted was a padded back. So here it is, and this is a nice, very squishy, padded back so that it's a little bit more comfortable. So it does have a nice padded strap and nice padded back. You can see that this is the trolley pass-through right here. It is just a little strap here. Now let's look at this front here. Of course, we have this nice little pocket outside. Open it up, and it does have a little bit of storage. So this is bigger pocket, and it goes all the way down. There is a nice little mesh pocket here, maybe for a cell phone. There are a couple spots for pens or cords or whatever. Of course, a key leash. And then this still has a little bit of space too to put something in there. This pocket I love because you have an additional pocket on the outside, but then you open it up and it is fleece. It's so cozy. I just want to rub my face on it. But you know why this is good? Maybe you're going to put sunglasses in there. Maybe you're going to put a cell phone in there. Either way, something that is of value to you that you do not want to rub up against other things or to be broken. So in fact, I would think that if you dropped this bag, you know, that this would protect everything because it's got a nice little fleecy velvet lining inside. Now do keep in mind, if you're going to travel with this around like a city center, don't put anything of value in either of these because you could be easily pickpocketed. They are double zippered, so of course you could put some sort of lock here, some sort of lock here, some sort of lock here, some sort of lock here. So either lock it up or just don't put valuables in here at all. Now there is a nice little water bottle side right here. That is great. And another one in here. Now let's check out the laptop portion of it, which is a clamshell opening, which I love. You can fit a 13 or a 15-inch laptop. So let's go ahead and stick mine in. Perfect. So nice. And then the laptop goes on the side that has the padding. So it's extra nice if you throw it down, you're gonna have that little protection. Then you also have a nice little mesh compartment here. And then there's the bigger area of the bag as well. So let's open that. Anything you need during your flight, you're gonna have in here. Anything business-wise, you're gonna have in here. So then you have all this extra room for everything else. There is a nice little other flap here that goes all the way down. This is a nice little pocket in here as well. This is the pocket that I would put probably my wallet and my passport and things in so that it's not as easily accessible to other people. And yeah, this has a lot of good space. I could probably fit a packing cube in there. A whole bunch of clothes in it. This can fit 1 to 2 weeks of clothes. So you guys can see there's still a little bit of room there. So now let's put my electronics bag in there that I always have with me. And this is it, fully packed. Absolutely love. I wish I had a trip to go on today so that I could use it. I think that this is going to be so amazing. The good thing about Open Story too, it's not a lifetime warranty like a lot of other companies, but it is a 5-year warranty. But also it has a 365-day or 1-year happiness guarantee, where I'm pretty sure you can return it within the first year of having it. Okay, so now that it's fully packed, let's measure it real quick. Height-wise, without the handle sticking up, is just over 16. Width-wise, it's about 12.5 or 13. And then the deepest that it goes with the straps and everything is about 7.5. So this bag will be perfect as a personal item. And if for some reason you find an airline that I don't know about, that this exceeds their personal item measurements, then just don't pack it as full as I did. And it should be totally fine because it's a backpack and therefore it is squishable. Now this doesn't expand or anything like that, but I don't feel like it needs to because it fits a lot in there. It feels very sturdy. I love that it's nylon. I love that it's waterproof. The zippers, I do not want to have that zipper drama that I just had on my base bag. So I think this is going to be amazing. I will probably bring it with me on every single trip from now on. So if I'm not necessarily featuring it in the videos on this channel, I'm at least featuring it in my Instagram story while I am traveling, because you guys know I do that. while I travel. If you don't follow us on Instagram, follow us on Instagram because I post a lot more stuff on there while I'm traveling. All right, so who's gonna run to Target and go get this backpack? And while you're at Target, go to Starbucks, get yourself a drink, and it counts as Delta miles. If you guys don't know about that, comment down below and maybe I'll do a little video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Subscribe. Love you. Bye.